my Gaia Gourmet Experience. Hey, just come here and find out for yourself. I mean, glorious, glorious, glorious foods everywhere. Glory, glory, hallelujah. It's like every breakfast, every lunch, every dinner is just like, how do you say this? It's like a catch for your eye. I don't know how to say this in English. It's like looking at your plate and actually you don't want to eat it because it looks so beautiful. But then on the other hand, yeah, you need food, you want food, you definitely want it. And it's, I cannot describe this in English because my English words are not enough to describe the food that is given to you here. And also everything is like organic. And I found out that living in the jungle, running a business here, it's not that easy, and I really admire the owners here, what they do, and bringing all this food to the table, the cooks that are working so hard, all the helpers, everyone is making your whole lunch and breakfast and dinner to a fiesta. It's a fiesta all over.